Like when girls suck my nipple, it feels like, same thing I said earlier, like me get paid on a Friday, like a 20 grand hit me account, you know what I mean? Feels good as fuck.
You have a favorite nipple?
My left one, my right one don't work. This fuck up.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kall Kash. You don't know, say your girl Cash. And today we have Kranium.
Yeah,
All right, Kranium, let's get into it.
let's go.
How does it feel like you had the summer on fire back to back? Like, how is that feeling? How would you explain that type of feeling?
I don't know. I just feel like I just work. You know what I mean? I just work and I just do whatever I feel for do. In the sense of like whatever feel good, I just do whatever just feel good. I don't really do much. Actually, I don't really drop much music. So I feel like when I do drop songs that have quality and have vibe, people I just love it because I'm not trying to be somebody I'm not.
Okay.
And I feel like I just take time to really work it. So when record catch, it's just stuck in a people's brain, and I feel like that's my family and that's what work for me. Is it?
Okay,
Yeah.
I respect that. But you say you don't drop music as often as you. What is there? Is that a reason? Like, what's the reason why you're
Yeah,
not
because I
dropping
just feel
music?
like you can't.
Rush things.
Yeah, you can't rush things, and not only that, I feel like dancehall market doesn't have this space for really I drop too much songs for work it and the level that I want to work. I like at 97, I like 105, I like Z100. I like all main radio station playing the songs, and to get them on that level take a time and take a lot of work, a lot of working. So for me, I always pace myself, you know what I mean. And I feel like if you rush in, you rush out. Music now going away, it's here, you know what I mean. So for me, once you have good quality and make good music, it's gonna work. So you have to just make sure you pace yourself. That's it.
That's facts.
Yeah.
How do you go by creating music? Like, do you have a specific time that you write music, like daytime, morning time, when your mind can, you know?
Depends. If me fuck and it feel good, me sing about it. If me I go through a little vibe, me sing about it. Like I feel like music is an emotion expressed of yourself. So if me, as me say, I wake up and I get some good pussy in the morning, I just go sing about how good the pussy was, and people just like it because they relate to it. Everybody fuck. And then if it's a situation where you're sad, like the new single Higher Life with me and kind of like it's a vibe. Like that's the mental space that I'm in right now. But I just feel like say, I have to give thanks for life and give thanks for everything, and it just works perfectly. So whatever the mood is at the time is, the vibe is, I feel like that's what it is.
Who was Cranium before the fame? And how did you come up with the name Cranium?
Who was me before? I was a regular youth.
And what is a regular youth?
A regular youth meaning like I was just a regular guy who wake up every day and just do regular stuff in the sense of I wasn't worried about traveling. I wasn't worried about being in the studio much. I wasn't worried about what single next to put out. I was just working at JFK. For a lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know, so I grew up in New York for some reason. I don't know why. They still don't understand that. But I live in New York since I was 12 years old. And I was working at JFK at McDonald's, Terminal 4 to be exact. Fuck the manager, the ex-manager.
Fuck
But yeah, me used to work at McDonald's, and that was just my life. And I liked it, you know what I mean? Because I feel like it taught me. One thing I can say though, before music, I feel the personality I have now and the way I move now with people and everything, I feel like I get that skill from McDonald's. Because imagine working at Terminal 4, which is the international terminal. I
Yep.
dealt with a lot of different personalities. So when I got into music where the music star work, it was no brainer on how to maneuver myself around people. I know when to be a pussy hole, I know when to be cool, I know when to be calm, I know when to be nice, I know when to be, you know what I mean? Because I've learned so much different things. I have different people personalities. So yeah, before music, that's music. That was just a regular, I got to work and come home.
No, dead ass. Cause I used to work in Terminal 4 too. I used to work at Clear. So no airports job and that's it.
You know, yeah.
Everybody thinks that once you have an airport job, you're lit. You have money.
I have to respect the man and big up the people who work at the airport because me know say it's not easy to deal with people on a regular basis. Especially I deal with different personalities. So shout out to the people who work at the airport.
Amen to that.
Yeah.
If music never worked out for you, what would be plan B?
But I've been in the army. I would be definitely be in the army.
Definitely the only the army.
100%. Because most of my friends that I went to high school with, that me close with, some of them right now in the army. It's so weird. Actually, I got stuck in Kuwait one time. I landed in Kuwait and they had a sandstorm. and I was stuck. And I posted something like that and said, yo, I'm stuck at Kuwait. And one of my bridging them did actually
Was there?
station there, yeah.
Wow.
So shout out the dogs, see me, is it?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man, but when I been in the army, 100%.
All right. Who do you prefer working with? Jamaican artists or American artists? Or even Africans?
Yeah.
So which one? Which
Yeah.
one you prefer? Because I know you diverse. You've been dabbling in all areas. So
Yeah,
what would you prefer?
I wouldn't say I would prefer, but I feel like I don't think it's a preference. I feel like different artists bring different vibe. Like when I work with Whiskey, them it was different because I learned a different culture. So definitely that was different for me. Just being a Nigerian, just there in a Ghana and just I see the place. That was a different vibe. You know what I mean? So I would definitely say culturally, I love the fact that I've worked with the Africans them.
Gotcha.
Working with the Americans them was different because them different. Like them are some different breed of people. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
them man they're weird and some of them wild. You know, and the hard man them now is just like your home is like, you know what I mean? That's we. So me know if you deal with them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so it's different, but I wouldn't say I prefer anything. I just feel like the culture different. I learn a lot
From different experiences.
from different
yeah.
experiences. Yeah.
Got you. So we just touched on the cultural topic. Let's talk about the new generation, the younger generation, because you know most people you work with are younger, like Pablo IG,
Yeah.
Armani, Queen
Yeah.
Niger. You know they're young. How does it feel like to work with the newer, younger generation coming up?
It's a good feeling because it's like I try my best to like tell some of them based off of what me learn and mistakes what I make. You know what I mean? Everybody gonna make mistakes, but there's certain mistakes where you just don't need to make.
Yeah.
And but it's cool for work with them because as I said, it's like you learn things too, man. You know what I mean? Like you're never too old for learn and never too young for learn. So it's just more like a learning experience when we're there on them. It's no different from what I said prior. That it's just different culture and different thing. And the newer youth them have a different vibe and a different way of approach and stuff like that. So
That's true.
It cool, man. Like I like work with them. Like honestly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any artists who inspire you both in dancehall or internationally?
Well, who inspired me that I get to work with was Usher, 100%. Shout out Usher. Actually, I get one of the best advice from Usher while I was in the studio. It wasn't there for me. Matter of fact, we had a session, and it's so crazy that me, my manager, shout out LMR from Queens, same way. Like, we in the studio with the man, and the session, like after the session was like conversation. You know what I mean? And it was a very dope moment because, as I said, I get to learn things about the other side. And not only that, just like you're a young youth that grew up and listen to Ocean and then you have a chance to be in the studio with him. Like,
Were you nervous? Like,
I'm never nervous because I don't think, no, I wasn't nervous, but it was an experience because, as I said, like, me, I grew up, this is someone I look up to as a youth. I say, yo, I want to sing, like, you know what I mean? And just with there on him and just have a conversation and just to talk and can say, yo, you see me? Just with a vibe and we end up go to, I perform with him. It's somewhere on YouTube, you could find it. And it was a dope vibe, man. And as I said, it was just a learning experience for me, but most definitely, like, that was different.
okay,
Yeah, that was different.
got you.
And for the Jamaica side, when I did Wild Out with Sean Paul, and that was the first time meeting Sean Paul. So they had new school versus old school dancehall, and I was representing new school, and he was representing old school. And that is one we look up to. Like Sean Paul is the pinnacle for me.
Definitely.
You know what I mean? Anybody who lives in New York City, that grew up in New York as a Caribbean kid,
Yep.
know the importance of that man and what he do for we. You know what I mean? And how cool he made us in high school, and just like that is the pinnacle for me. Like Sean Paul is the pinnacle. Like that is the
You don't feel like, I always say it, because you say he's a pinnacle, so you don't feel like you have anybody other than Sean Paul. It's like, damn, Rotted, I meet him, you know, so Sean Paul would be the person for you.
Yeah, as I said, as a dancehall artist in New York City,
Yeah.
like seeing the impact of T.O.K., Sean Paul, I would definitely say like Elephant Man, you know what I mean? But as I said, the level that Sean Paul took it to, and so consistent for such a long period of time, and like, you know, remember we are talking about basement party. You know?
Yep.
You know what I mean? So we are coming from a Sean Paul.
Definitely. What song you think put you on the map?
No, yes or no?
You think so?
100%.
Well, you're the artist. You
Nobody has to know, 100%. I mean, the song that started me was the song called This Morning because it was a big song in like Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx. And
I was gonna say that, but if you can't, if you said that,
yeah, not this to me. Some people not gonna know what This Morning is. You know what I mean? If you're outside of New York, you might not know This Morning, the song This Morning. But that was from high school. You know what I mean? So some people don't know. Say, yo, I started a buzz from high school before me even leave high school. So I was working at McDonald's. Feel like a boss already. In that, some say I was a local star. So like, if you're in Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, and you go, whether you go Martin, you go Springfield High, any school you have, you go know who Kranium was. Yes. So I would say This Morning gave me the confidence, but nobody have to know. Shoot me to the world.
Gotcha. How do you balance your personal life with your business life?
I separate it.
But how? Because some artists can't separate it.
I know when to be Kranium and I know when to be Kemar, you know. When I'm working, I'm working. When I work, I work. You know what I mean? I like for them in my yard and build. And shit, I stopped going out much. I don't really go out much now.
Can you get older?
Not say I'm getting older. I just feel like people fuck up. You know what I mean? Energy is a hell of a thing. And as you grow, you learn say energy is a hell of a thing. Like people fucking drain you, yo. It's like you fuck the wrong girl or a girl, you fuck the wrong man.
And people don't feel like energy can transfer. Like the
100%.
girl you fuck, she has so much problem, and you is a light-spirited type of guy, and once you fuck her, just pure things start fuck up. Yeah,
short there and them fuck like dog, and you just dead every day, and you just energy just off. You wonder what going on. So energy is a hell of a thing. So me learn say, yo, when I'm in artist mode, me deal with the fuckery because I have to deal with it because you can't take it personal.
Yeah.
When I'm in my personal life, I operate different, like totally different. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Copy. What's something that your fans might be surprised to know or learn about you? Give me something where you not get nobody on the interview. What your fan them would have like, damn, Kranium really said that?
I love fuck.
Every man love fuck.
He's a sex addict.
You think so?
I'm not asking, man.
How much time for the day would I fuck for? If you can.
Once I wake up and see my cocky move, I give thanks for life, you know what I mean? So once I see my hood can move a morning time, I love fuck free still. Like, I feel like that is it. I feel like...
You not think you need help?
Yeah, from pussy. Once I get some pussy, I'm good. And it's real talk, I'm not even trying to be funny. Once I fuck, I feel like... You see when you work a 9 to 5, and from Friday you get paid, you know that feeling there? That's how I feel every time I fuck.
Bombard. Yeah. All right. Before we even go on that topic there, I'm going to continue the music because I got something for y'all. What advice, right, would you give to upcoming artists that want to have a music career but they don't have the money to start?
I feel like we're in a day and age now where like money is very important to start music business, but I feel like we're not guided by what them feed we anymore. I feel like, you know, one time an artist big, right? And drop a song, but because an artist has so much power and so much money, they can force certain songs on us, even though they still happen. I feel like now we pick and choose where we want to listen to. So that's why there's so much artists that people might say, yo, him not sound good, but in that specific time, him sound fucking good. And it doesn't matter what you want to tell me, this is what we like, and that's the sound we like, you know what I mean? And I feel like, to the young artists them, I just feel like you have to be yourself, which is very cliche, but it's true, you have to be yourself. And don't try to be an artist. I feel like most artists try to be what they think an artist is. An artist is somebody who create art. You know what I mean? So you're the artist. So whatever you are, that is what we like because you're the fucking artist. You bring something that's different. So if you feel like, say, you want to be like a Beyonce or you want to be a Alkaline or you want to be Massacre, it not going to fucking work because we're going to tell you different. You know what I mean? So an artist, upcoming artists should just be themselves. It no matter what it is, just be you. So when you look upon you, I say, okay, this is definitely it.
Yeah, something new.
Yeah, just be yourself. I feel like that's the best advice. And don't burn bridges. Some bridges are burned, some you don't burn. And just be
How would they know what not to burn and burn like an upcoming artist?
The mama saying is a kiss as we can kick it.
Oh, so use people till they can use them?
Not to say use them, but more like there's certain people in the music industry that's gonna have real power that you can't do nothing about it until you reach on a level where you can say fuck off because now you learn where to go differently than to deal with a channel. There's certain channels that you're gonna learn that you can take.
Yeah.
But you have to reach on a certain level to know what other channels you can use. So you have to have substitute channels. But
yeah.
if you are coming and you want this everybody, you'll get fucked. You have to wait till you reach on a level where you can understand say, oh yeah, them for pussy now. You know what I mean? You have to know when to be a good guy, or a nice guy.
Yeah, and humble
for
yourself too.
Humble your blood clot self. Yeah.
Do you have any routines you do before performing live on stage?
Drink.
Why?
I drink because it give me a... People feel stay fuck, you know. You imagine I perform and see somebody on them phone, you want to go suck them mother, you know.
But it's the audience. Why you focus on the one person up on them phone?
Because energy travels, like you said earlier.
Which is true.
So you imagine you sing out raw, so you sing out bumble this person up on the phone, so. And you just, and them there, got the fucking back of the blood class, where the fuck you at the front?
I buy VIP, I want to see the front on my phone.
Yeah, but why you come with the energy there? Why you need to come give you this energy? Because some of the time, enough people feel understand, sir. Some of the time, obviously, we all have a favorite artist. And especially festivals, there's more than one artist. There's certain people who come at the show and they don't want to see you. And that's totally fine, because you don't have to be a fan of every artist. But when you come with that fucking draining energy, the man, it travel, man. I as an artist up there, it break you. No matter how confident it is. Once you look in that crowd and you see somebody go fucking up your face, just there, burn up, and it just, it's draining, so.
Piss you off.
Yeah, it piss you off, man. Definitely.
So what's one of the worst comment that you ever seen, like on a video or a picture, any little thing that really said, damn?
I don't really get much, you know, but one time I performed at Barclays Center, mix, the Nets was playing somebody, I don't remember who they was playing, but it was a Nets game. I performed and I couldn't hear myself, like my in-ears wasn't working properly. And I was just singing, but me sound good enough, and to myself, me sound good. And then the next day I said, be a tags, yo, this Kranium can't sing, the man sound off key, the man voice is not what, this is a studio artist.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it really bother me because anybody who knows me knows, say, yo, me take my stage show.
Serious.
My singing is no joke. If my microphone on, my microphone is on, so it bother me, that it really,
See, never answer them back?
No,
And
sir.
clock them?
No, sir.
Me no wrong for answer, oh no, not gonna come and bully me.
No, I'm not answer them.
What would you want people to take from your music if you can describe?
I don't make no whack records.
Everything is hit.
I've never made a whack record.
I'm a little bit confident though, but it's
Me
true.
not
It's
ask you.
mega give flowers, but me I say,
Yeah.
you know, like them say self-praise is no recommendation, but you
Yeah.
can't show. You get what me I try to say?
Yeah. I can't make whack record. Like, any day you see me start sing some song, just send me a DM and say, alright, Freedom, I think you need to wrap it up now. Leave it alone. You know? I can't, it's not that I don't make them, you know, but you will never hear them because I don't put them out.
God, you're right.
You know what I mean? So I've been making records and say, man, I like this. And then me just pass on. But once me go upload on Apple Music or Spotify or Deezer or Audio Max, once a Kranium song come out, it can never be whack.
Okay.
And I stand there on that.
Period.
Yeah.
So, I just want to ask you this, right? Which artist right now you want to see, which artist right now you want to see yourself working with? Like, I need to get an artist on a song.
You know what I'm saying? I don't really have a specific artist. But what I will say is that when I create music, I know who I want on the song. So I don't have a specific artist and say, I want to work with that person, I want to work with that person. I listen to everybody.
Yeah.
But it's more like, if I make a song, I say, yo, I'm not lying up. Kash, that sound good on this. And I say, yo, Alkaline, that sound sick on this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I like to create the song first.
And then see who you want to put on it.
But
Makes
me's a
sense.
person who listen to everybody. Like, me not gonna do a song act like, say, me listen to everybody. Like, I literally listen to every single artist. I have no beef with no artist. There's no artist that me not say, yo, me not like, I don't have personal opinion upon them in the sense of like, what me not put it like, I don't have no personal vibe against the artist.
Yeah,
Me listen to every single one. Until me meet and you pussy well, then you can go suck your mother. But other than that, for me, I listen to them and I like their music. Yeah, me no matter, I go work with anybody.
But
and I work with big artists, small artists, no
That's
artists, no
true.
matter. I
You're
work with
diverse.
anybody,
And that's the thing too. I never really see it in the media create no problem like any artist. So that's off to you. I couldn't. Maybe me young, I don't know. I could be lying. But what me see, I don't really see you have no beef with no artist. You in a no bag of fuckery, no foolishness, and that's good.
Smoke weed, suck breast, fuck pussy,
You're annoying.
make music and go to my bed. And then no problem with nobody.
So we're about to go into the cash breaker, and we're about to break down your lyrics.
Okay,
You ready?
Shit, yeah.
All right. Number one, me and you have beef. Why In Charge so short? Why the songs are short?
In charge?
Yes.
Oh, I don't like to make long music.
Kranium, you could have made that little longer.
It's a quickie.
No.
Yeah, the song was meant to be a quickie. Like that's a phone you like, you drive and you pull over and you want bust a one quick fuck, you just say, I'm sure you're in charge, you know what I mean? And call it a day. I don't like making long fucking songs.
But it wasn't even long. You need that. Nah, you could
I've made shorter songs than that.
But no, but me like that song there. So I said, geez, every minute. Yeah, you know?
That's good. Let me catch the lyrics then.
Anyways, alright. In Without You, right? You stated, you told me a million times, I never listened when you say that you would leave someday. Why men wait till a female says she ready for go when they really take her for your idiot and they never really believe it? Why?
Why does men...
Why you wait to be sorry too late?
That's a good question. Me no know.
But your personal experience.
Me not take me listen. I'm a good listener. Any woman ever date me knows I listen, I care, I'm very I have a shoulder to lean on. I'll talk to you about whatever you need to talk
So
about.
you're perfect.
I'm not saying I'm perfect, I'm close to it. But me just I'm just a good guy. You know what I mean?
But talk for the male species, because I know you got bros, you got friends that you listen to them vent. Like, why when a female let you know that she done, your thing says a joke thing, when you feel like when you can run back and...
It really sad, because man don't really talk to them bridging about woman and them personal problem, because we will laugh, I want to say something like, you can imagine the bridging that come to your ball, like, oh, that song, like, we hold it like a G, We don't really see no man call a man and tell the man about them situation on that level, you know what I mean? But unless if, I'm not going to really talk about it.
Not going to really talk about it.
But I don't know, me personally just feel like, listen, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
In no order, you stated every night before I sleep, I gotta pray for us. Can you explain that feeling of being in love?
It just sounded good, but the lyrics sound good. It just sound really good.
So you never pray for your girl yet?
Pray for your pray for she left. What do you mean?
You know that she been in your corner. He's like, damn God, I'm gonna find a good girl. I'm gonna go up on my knees and pray. Like keep her. You never sit down and pray for your girl where you really love and check for yet?
I pray she should come home safe, yeah, but I like hold hands and pray for God. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna come on camera and lie.
I don't understand, but he's like, damn, y'all get them on them up outside. I know y'all tell me, say, go up on your knees and pray.
No, I'm not say I pray, but I wish I want her to come home,
Just come home.
Yeah, just come home safe. But I not really say me feeling I'm pray, but like, if me love, me love. You know what I mean? If me love you, like I feel like you feel my love. I don't have to like legit like pray. But the lyrics sound good though.
Okay. If nobody has to know, you stay every time you come on me yard, you worry your man there yard. How does it feel to be a side man?
I like it.
You like being a
It's
side
sad,
man?
but I like it. I like being...
You're toxic, but let me hear this.
It's not about toxic. It's like, think about it. There's people that are sad. Like, there's women out here that are with somebody and they're sad. And they're not 100% sure they want to leave yet.
So you could be superhero side man for go save them?
I'm just saying, maybe that is my purpose on earth, to give her the confidence to get up and leave. Like, honestly, I feel like God put me on earth to help her through the process of her sad. Think, most women sad in a relationship, and I just feel like I'm here to hold her and say, babe, it's alright, like, leave. If you want to leave, just leave. I'm not going to tell her if you left. I'd never tell a woman to leave her man. But I will tell her, say, if you're unhappy, just get the courage, and I'm here to support you in whatever you need. And if there's any relationship advice I can give you during that time, I'm going to get the truth.
Would that make you
A good guy.
a good guy? Okay,
very good
okay.
guy, sure.
But it creates trust issues too
Oh.
within you.
No, it
Because if a girl can't sit down and have a side man, you know, feel so your girl can have a side man too. Exactly.
But that's the point. Alright, this is what I've learned
Okay.
from my experience with women. If a woman is truly happy with a man, you're not blood clot get in. You could have cute till, you could have money till, you could want to give her the rose till. If she's happy with her guy that she's genuinely happy with, she not give you the crease. I promise you she not give you the crease. So when she decides to give you the crease, is because she's truly unhappy and she feel like she don't want to be there no more, and that's where my penis coming.
Okay, that's where his penis comes in.
Yes,
I heard you.
Yeah, fuck her out there.
In Mama's Boy,
Yeah.
you stated your pussy deserve for man for mine you. Bring your pan trips and kind to. Pay some bills and him spoil it. How do you know when a girl crease good?
How me know?
Yeah, because you love fuck.
How me know a woman crease
Yeah,
good?
explain to them. All girl can know say her pussy good.
A woman know her pussy is good when one, as you call them answer. Two, when him just willing for like there on you 100%, like him just want there on you all the time. 3, when him genuinely happy, because I feel like I don't think woman understands when a man happy with it, I'm happy with it, like, you know what I mean? Like when we're happy with a girl, we're happy with a girl, like nothing else matter, you know what I mean? And for me personally, it's like when a girl, when you're good, you're good. Blood clot good, like, yeah, you have some girl just blessed.
Just blessed.
Just fucking blessed.
Even them ghetto and toxic, them still blessed. You still
Blessed.
go fuck them regardless, cause them pussy good.
Amazing. Like, deserve the world.
You need help.
No, they deserve the world.
Them deserve the world.
You're fucking world. Like, honestly, like, all if me not have it sometimes.
You gotta find it.
Not necessarily when I go out my way, go find it where, you know, I put myself in problems,
Yeah.
but like, there's some good pussy girl out there.
Title.
Title.
What would you consider as an exclusive female?
I love chat. Me hate girl love chat.
What do you mean
Fuck
like-
yeah, chat yourself.
We may chat in the bedroom or just talking? Just
No,
like
that's
in the
like all things are chat. Me like, cause it's exclusive, right?
Yeah.
I don't like friendly woman.
Mm-hmm.
I like manageable woman. That's different. I
Yeah.
want to come inside and say hello, hi, and re. But this one bag of blood clot chatting like, you know, everybody, like, the fuck you talk so much, man, like, just relax and chill.
So would you tell her she's talking too much, she's doing too much?
No, I just take on myself slowly. Yeah, I don't like women to talk too much. I feel like a woman is a representation of a man. Because a man will come in our room and look on a girl, and based off our conversation, you start make me look like a pussy now. Even though, you know, make an act on a guy or something, but just the bag of chatting and
Yeah.
just like, you just come like some little fucking,
Parrot?
like a parrot, you know, like some fucking mosquito just in a room, you know, like that fucking thing. Like a woman represent a man, 100%. Like once, and it goes for man too. Like you have some man who does, you like man who love talking, like if you're doing a bridge, it's different. No matter about a man that's going in a room and people then must love chat.
No, I don't like man who just chat.
That's what I'm saying. So it's like it still boils down to me feel like if you come in our room, I just know for what I want. That's exclusive for me.
A
Like,
woman, she's supposed to come and our presence is be known. And just by sitting down
Yeah.
and just being chill. Someone
that's
just
why I
wanna
like
sit.
some girl wake up in some place like come from Moko. Out of the meet. You don't even know them when you see them. You see me? You wonder where the
Oh,
fuck
you don't
they
like
are.
known girls as well too.
I like known girl
Say
I
like
fuck her.
quite regular girl, like
I don't think I could date an artist. I don't think I could date somebody who's popular. I think I've walked on that road before and I would never do it again. I don't think it's mine.
yeah, me either. I wouldn't even date. I wouldn't date an artist. I wouldn't
Yeah.
date an athlete. No,
Yeah, it's too
my,
much.
yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like they're weird. All right, now we're about to get to the spicy questions. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
They're gonna beat me for this.
All right then. What do you love most about Jamaican women?
When me
If you
about-
love, if you love us.
what me love about Jamaican woman. Alright. I feel like Jamaican woman was definitely made for Jamaican man. In the sense of like, I feel like there's nobody's gonna understand us like Jamaican woman. I feel like nobody are gonna deal with we like how Jamaican woman deal with me. I feel like what me love the most is the vibe. Definitely the vibe. I feel like the vibe is like everything. Like you don't have to teach them nothing. You don't have to teach them nothing. They just know how to move. Like
Man who
them have
want it.
them. Alright, Jamaican women have the most feminine, masculine trait. Like them just operate like a G, but soft and sweet at the same time. But no one forget rough.
And you like that? That turn you on?
Yeah, like especially when you fuck them. Yeah, I always go back to fuck. It's different. Fuck up with nice clean pussy sometimes. Like,
So you prefer fucking Jamaican girls than any other Caribbean?
I love them.
So I know say you always I say you're singlish.
Yes. I'm single.
Why is it singlish?
I just feel like I love be single, you know. I feel like single life is better. I like.
Are you single?
I am single.
But why is it ish? So just say single and done or complicated or
Because
what?
I'm in a situation, but I'm not in a situation, but I'm always in a situation. So it's like I'm singlish.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing. This is true. Like, listen, as an artist, it's like, I don't think people understand, like, it's one of the most hardest. For date is hard, because you don't know if a girl want you for your money, you don't know if a girl want you because of vibe, you don't know if a girl like you because of clout, you don't know if people genuinely fuck with you or you must have fuck for the moment. There's so much different aspect of things. So for me, I like to keep her open down back like feel. You know what I mean? I like your vibe, I like your vibe. Roll, reflex. And I just never really get to the point where I just feel like saying the panel.
Yeah, get older. You don't want to get married? You don't want to marry that girl?
I'm not that old. Trust me.
You're not. I know how old you are, but
So,
I'm saying you're getting up in age.
You know, yeah, when we reach a point, me know when the blood clot calm down. You know what I mean? I say when if build. But I do have situation where I meet a girl and I generally like her, I'm just clutch like a bike man. Like, I'm not out here fuck in the place. That's why you never even know mix up.
True, that makes sense.
You know what I mean? Because I'm a faithful single man. Like, we could be single together and I'll still be faithful, 100%. Yeah.
On an interview, I remember you said that you don't believe in dates. Can you elaborate more on that?
So, when I say I didn't believe in date, I think that's not what I said. I was talking about an actual sit down in front at a dinner table. I said that I don't like that because I feel like it can be very fake.
You don't like that concept?
That concept of dating. I feel like dating should be anything. You can't be like, we are walking the park. It can't mean, say, we sit down and have a picnic. It can't mean, say, yo, we are go. Like, it could be anything except just me have to put on a front. You know what I mean? Like, more wants to real you. Like, and I feel like dating should be like, me and if you have a conversation on the phone for at least 2 weeks. If you know if me actually like if I actually go out with you.
2 weeks?
Yeah, me feel like say sometimes we jump into things so fast.
No, I feel like once you like me, the first week, the Friday, the Monday you meet me, Friday we need to be outside together.
No, but imagine me meet you, right? And I talk to you and you say, alright, cool, let's go and catch on, right?
Yeah.
I could do everything right in that week. Like I could pretend to be the nicest person.
And I'm gonna fall in love in the 2.3 seconds.
And then your friend is a fucking sick.
And I'm gonna stop talking to you.
Not necessarily always working that way. Because the thing is you can't turn off feelings. And that's a problem people people understand. You cannot switch off feelings. It's like some people say, yo, oh, he might treat you stuff, but they're still there with him. Why do you think most girls are still there with that man because him still a treat her bad? Because the feelings just turn off like that. You know what I mean? You don't want to get caught in like that. So I feel like when if you have conversation on the phone, go on, you think good, way, and then you decide if you want to go out. Because people do pretend. I don't have time for pretending. And I feel like that's what I meant by that when I was like, I'd rather just be a natural flow into us actually meeting up and getting to know each other on a broader scale. But we need to have some conversation for a while.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I can take that.
Yeah.
Do you believe that body count matter for a female?
No.
So you would talk to somebody who you find out she fuck 20 man. That not?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it no matter to me because I feel like some woman go through them whole phase. And it, you know, Russ, a girl who used to fling the fuck, like, you see, girl used to dash fuck, when them decide to change,
That hot.
yeah, nah, fuck them again, man. Them girl hold on the crease like a lock.
As they should. Them
So,
have them whole face.
but I don't feel like it matters. Niggas out there fuck 20 girl, 40 girl, like.
I respect that. Because
You know what I
someone naga, what? My girl fuck 20? No. You know, man is a visual type of
But
person.
you have to spread out the fuck though.
What do you mean by spread out the fuck?
Like
Oh,
if you
no,
live-
I know,
if-
back to back. Fuck.
Not say that, but if you live in New York, go get some pussy in a Jersey, and just go Kennedy cut. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh, spread it location wise.
yeah, don't be walking out party and 40 man in a fuck you. Like, that's a whole different thing now. You know what I mean? You go hard now. You know what I mean? You abuse the pussy. So.
But
Go
what
further.
if like you're walking out party and find out a 3 man's fuck the girl where you're there with? That would be a different situation.
3 man?
3 man them. 3 of your guy friend them. Or one of your tuggies them. Somebody you know. Somebody you record music in the studio and say, yo, are you a girl that? You know, somebody deal with it. Then another man tell the same deal. How would you feel and would you move on with the shorty?
Listen,
Listening.
I feel like it all depends on like the situation in the sense of like, like you never know. It's not like you didn't know, say yo.
Yeah, you never know. But you
so
find
whatever.
out right there and then. You're not gonna take that
It's
into
a conversation
consideration.
I forgot we had. Like we're gonna have a conversation, literally. Like, and that's the thing. I mean, like when a woman tell me things like that,
Up front, just say so.
straightforward. Just tell me, say yo, you know, say me used to fuck with such man and that's a person. Yeah, give me the options to decide to deal with it,
Okay.
rather than me I find out after say yo.
You fuck who and who.
Yeah, I feel like me need to know, to be aware of it mentally, to deal with it. You know what I mean? Like, don't when me come in a room and feel stupid.
Yeah. But
That makes sense?
it do because, but at the same time, too, if it not, I feel like the situation don't arise, me not need for tell you. If I have sex with two people in here, so you come in.
Tell me one. If you like me and me attack and you know me as an artist, tell me much artist I fuck.
No.
You have to tell me that.
No. If I know say you and the artist are gonna work, if me know say it's like an album release and you and the artist not talk, but then if you come to you and say, yo babes, I'm fuck him, you know. But if me know say you want him to go up on a collab, me gonna make you know, me not gonna make you.
No, you need to tell me, cause watch out. So we got the award shows now. I say, babe, put on the clothes. I got award show.
Okay.
I mean, walk in. I used to fuck Governor. I used to chuck a fuck Pablo YG. I used to fuck Kranium. Me need to bumble clat no. So me walk in a room enough, nobody don't feel like them more than me. Me need to be aware. Like in a film brain, him can't say me to fuck that and my man say, post me used to fuck it. You know what I mean? You have to give me the confidence for walking in a room for no say. You see me can't walk in with the confidence. But if me in there now laugh it jolly and the money I dig out the crease, I mean no, I fuck reality, man.
No, with that situation I get what you're asking.
Can't do that.
Should a man have a say in how a female dress?
Depends on the occasion, yes.
But if you're a girl, she's supposed to know how to dress certain type of way. But
Yeah.
like still like
A woman should express herself or she won't express herself, 100%. Like if you meet her that way, that's just you. You know what I mean? So I feel like no man should dictate how a woman dress. I don't think no man should I was talking to somebody earlier, so I don't even dictate. Like if a woman, it's like abortion, like it's always a very deep conversation. Like a woman's supposed to make a decision on what she want to fucking do with herself and what she want, how she want to dress. But you're not going to see through just with me and go to church. For example, I'm just saying, like,
no, I get what you're saying.
I mean, like,
yeah.
you're not gonna come on my grandmother and feel like you want to wear a see-through dress and your tongue show. So it depends on way. But as far as self-expression, a woman's supposed to express herself. And if you're weak enough, leave her the fuck alone. Like, you gotta dim my light.
You hear that? On insecure men, leave the girl them alone. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I know most of your songs are upfront nasty, and they sometimes behind the wall nasty, but proper nasty too. But I'm asking you directly, what's the nastiest thing you ever did in the bedroom?
See me in a bedroom. I do nothing
Where you
nasty.
realize that you like?
I like my nipples up. Like when you got something nipple, that's not nasty.
It's not nasty, but you just lay down something, the girl just
Feed hurt.
what?
I'll hold it too.
What your nipple on?
Yeah, I like it. It feels good. Fuck. Every toe move.
No, sir. I think it's a Jamaican man thing. With that. Yeah.
No, sir. I feel like some man feel like say them favorite say that. I like when girls suck my nipple. It feels like, see them say earlier, like me get paid on a Friday. Like a 20 grand hit me account. You know what I mean? Feels good as fuck.
You have a favorite nipple?
My left one, my right one don't work. This fuck up.
What? Wait. Oh, the right one fuck up.
I don't know, it just gone. No sensation. You know? This have blood clot. Like, gone. Suck right out. From high school, you know, dead.
Oh my God, would you make a woman take care of you? Like,
What do you mean?
I don't know, some man don't want woman spend on them because them feel say me a man for provide this
When
and
I
that.
was young, you know, it was my dream say I go find an old woman like 70 where she don't have long left time left on earth.
Oh God.
And she got dead left give me everything, you know what I mean?
I feel like everybody dream that.
But thank God my boss and you know
Yeah.
make it up. But I don't mind a woman. But I don't want a woman take care of me. But I feel like if a woman have money on a level back then, if I never have it, I feel like I spend it properly for her, like mother
Yeah, take over.
take over, yeah.
Do you have to be fucking a girl to give her money?
If she's not my friend,
You know your friend? Yeah,
what
like,
the fuck me I give her money for if I'm not my friend?
but you see a girl you like her, you not fuck it yet. And she asks for your little money. Kranium, can I get money for my ear? You have money, not got the money, you drop out of your body, you not get her? You know? No, seriously?
If we're not fucking. And
So you have to be fucking a girl, not your friend, to be giving her money.
if I don't, like, that's what I'm saying, what's the level of,
Fucking?
no, what's the level of friendship? Like, what
It's
is
no friendship. You're fucking your friends.
it? Me just meet her.
It's not about just no. Okay, not just
That's
me.
what I'm saying, explain. I have to be
All right,
specific.
you meet her on Monday. Friday she asks you for money.
You must be fucking crazy. I'm gonna give her money for I'm just meet her.
Yeah, some people just do that. That's what I want to know. Like, you have to be a girl you're fucking to give money.
Me used to talk to one girl. And on my third trip to Western Union, I said, fuck this. You know, I'm just turn back. So it depends on where I talk about. I don't think,
You was fucking a girl that you was going Western Union for?
no.
Oh.
Yeah. So I did it before, but it was like on this third trip, I was like, no, this feel like a used thing. So it depends, man. I'm saying that depends, but I don't think you're supposed to meet me for the money, ask for money for a Friday out. Just send me a pussy. Send me a cash app or send me a Zelle.
You said sell the pussy?
Send me the crease.
You ever buy pussy before?
No, but me just I say just.
No, may I ask you if you ever.
That's true. I've never. Me never just. Oh, I don't know how that work. Like, me if I ask how your day was, how's everything? You know what I mean? Like,
You can still do that and buy the pussy.
Me never buy pussy. That's true. I've never ever purchased vagina before.
Okay.
But I'm just saying, like, if you know, say you just want money, just tell me say money you want, and me tell you say I fuck me want, and we just call it a day.
Transaction.
Yeah.
Approve. Have you ever been pussy whipped? How you behave when you pussy whipped? Like, what's the craziest thing you ever did for pussy?
I drive 14 hours already.
14 hours?
In my life. God,
That calm though.
14 hours now?
You probably bust quick because you didn't really want that pussy there.
1 minute. If
What?
that. Yeah,
1
man.
minute?
I go there and start blink like a pepper light. As I touch it, I just start blinking. God. Everything, yeah, man.
How did she feel?
I not care how she feel. Me feel good as fuck. You know that me I wait for this. Me never give a
Is
fuck.
a girl that you've been wanting to fuck?
From high school.
Oh, so I understand. You couldn't hold in.
And she was very loyal to her man. And then she had her man break up and she called me and she vexed because she found out her man cheat on her. And she said, if he was here, I would fuck you right now. Me I say, you know, send me there. You know, send me there, me I found. And I drove 14 fucking hours. I swear to. Alright.
Jesus.
I remember, I swear to you, I'll never forget this. I remember my walking at the room. This was St. Louis from New York.
That's
So,
far.
14 hours.
So you never take a plane?
No, because it was a snow snap that
Oh.
happened. So it was like a window of like, she will get over it, you know what I mean? So it's like, if this not happen now, it not gonna happen again. And then, I know she should have feel bad from forward. So I drove and I reached, and I go inside, and my car get towed because I didn't finish the story. My car got towed because we were parked. I didn't even park properly. But just run inside, and yeah, she give me the crease. Shout out my girl, you know what I mean? I know she has to this. The men are not talk now, but yeah.
Want to stop talk? She never cuff you afterwards?
We had a big argument, like a really bad argument. And this was somebody I know for years from high school. So I know she go see this because, yeah, but we not really deal no more. But me did extend my penis that time after that. Like me did get me like a 30-40 minutes in.
Oh, you get your little 30
Yeah,
after
yeah.
your 1 minute. That's what
Yeah.
I say. You only fuck her. Okay. I
Yeah, we
get
only
you.
had sex. We had sex one time because my call that sex. When we come 1 minute, I sex that, and then we fuck after. And
How
then
long
that
is
was
fuck?
it. Fuck like 35-40 minutes and up.
Okay. How do you start sex? What's your foreplay?
My nipples.
Wait, we're not talking about your nipple. May I talk about the girl come? Tell me your routine or your... Well, I set up the fuck scene for the girl. Because you're 30-40 minutes, you have to do your little foreplay and thing.
I mean,
Take us to the bedroom, Kranium.
I don't really want to talk about that in specific details.
You know, I forgot. Give her like a tea.
I just don't feel like say, me feel I give it too much
Oh, your tea.
because I don't really want
The man them use
train
it.
some. Yeah, I say. Well, I supposed to them use my style still, but like we use the penis well, and she them like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You would I sell it?
Same mood? No, sir.
If you never did.
If you never have food like this,
Yeah.
I don't know. No, we'll never know.
We'll never know.
We'll never know.
How fast you think you fall in love? Or have you ever been in love?
I've been in love.
You've been in love. Okay.
100%. And I've been in love with. I've been in love.
Okay.
Because how a man know him being, how do you know you're in love still? I mean, obviously it varies, but I knew I was in love, 100%. I was in
Okay.
love
And how fast?
before.
Because me falling in love in like 3 days. If I do seconds, maybe 5 seconds.
Really?
I love fast. Me an idiot.
I know it says second still, but I feel like I fall in love for like 2 months, 3 months.
2 months.
Yeah. Fall in love?
Alright,
I
I fall. Me talk about
Like what's
me
it like?
me is a certified yammed. Like if I really like you, it's like a show.
What's the dumbest thing you ever do? Just one question.
What's the dumbest thing I ever did for love? Take back. Oh God, I did a lot.
A simple one.
I'm gonna find out that the guy I was talking to. I think I tell this already. I found out the guy I was talking to. He was having a baby on the way, and I begged him to be the stepmother.
Bumbucker. Oh yeah, I eat that.
Very much so.
Well, that's what happens.
But he loved the boy. I love him. Gone to bed.
Ask me stepmother.
Yeah, I said you don't have to leave. You don't have to leave her. I will take part. I will help with the kid.
That's dope.
Dope?
Damn, dope. That's fire.
No.
I like that. Oh,
No.
that's sweet. Me? What the dumbest thing I've ever done for love? What's the dumbest thing I've ever done for love? Dumbest thing? Oh, you wanna know?
Of course. Spill
Um,
the tea. Listening.
I think the dumbest thing I've ever done for love is buy. What's the dumbest thing? Yeah, I can't even say it.
They can't say it.
I can't
But you
say
buy
it.
something.
Yeah.
Expensive? Really expensive?
Yeah.
Oh, expensive.
And I wasn't even this yet. But it was expensive. Like when I go up on a trip, I'm gonna buy a first class ticket.
That calm.
But it was expensive. It was like $9,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
$9,000 for plane tickets.
Yeah, and
So you don't fuck her in the plane?
but I try.
God, for $9,000?
But it was good because when we reach our period come.
But no idea. What is your love language? Like touching, affirmations,
Conversation. It's weird, but
just having a little conversation.
like just like a woman will know. But like I love music. Like music is if anybody know me, like I love music. You can't tell me I'm a musician, man. Like if you have deep conversation about music and stuff, like just no random shit about music. I feel like that's just mine. I love
That's your,
conversation.
like,
Yeah, I love conversation. Like conversation.
But you're not like girl with chat enough.
Yeah, but conversation is different. Chat enough we make about in a room.
Okay,
with
got
people.
you.
But me and Bill and we talk at school. But I like conversation like but you have to know stuff though.
Yeah, you don't want
You
to.
know some people that know stuff like
Yeah.
fuck you know this is like a turn on to me. Yeah.
Talking about turn on, what's your biggest turn on and turn off in a female? Both,
Turn-
it could be sexual or non-sexual.
Yeah, turn on for me in a woman is as I say conversation. Like I love a woman who just know things.
Yeah.
Like especially when there with you and you want better for me and I tell them what to do. Because sometimes we get carried away. A woman will like can say, yo, I think if you do this or invest in this or if you buy this you can flip this like them things.
Yeah, them type of
Turn
things.
off. Me not like girl foot to look like baby coffee. Me like big foot girl.
Oh, what is big?
Like big, like there's some big foot girl when it's like big foot. Like you're supposed to can't drown. You're not supposed to just yeah.
Bigfoot? But what is Bigfoot? Cause a girl can have a size 9 and her foot still look cute.
Yeah, but it depends on your height too. You can't be 5'3" with that size 10 foot.
I never bought my bonds to cranium, just like how enough girl, you know,
But your
you're
foot
right.
not big.
No, man, I talk about for the rest of the girl them, but
No,
you're
man,
right.
yes, everybody have them preference. Some girl are like fat man, some girl are like man with big belly.
Man, I like that.
Some girl are like man with short.
Man, I like man with smart wood too.
You know like alright, she not like man with small penis. Me just do not like big foot, like I just don't like. If you're tall, if you're 6 feet,
Then
I
that's
have
good.
size 10, it don't matter because you're tall. But you can't be 5'3" with size 11 and 12. You mad? The fuck you go?
Is cooking a big deal for you?
If she
Like,
can't cook,
if she can't
no, that's
cook.
fine.
That's fine?
Yeah, right. If no in my life, no, it's fine because we can't get a chef. It's okay.
Okay.
We can send her to school to learn,
Okay.
and you can learn how to cook. Like it's not that hard to go on YouTube. YTU, YouTube University, you can learn anything.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's definitely true. I love Miss Kitty. That's why it's like how when I see artists maybe like you and some people would be nervous and if I see Miss Kitty I start melting. I think she's the only person that would have that effect on me. You understand what I'm trying to say? I love her.
You ever met her? No.
Never. Everybody said they
You remind me of
of
her.
her.
Yeah, you kind of make it think.
Oh God. Yeah. I love her.
You don't reach out to her or try to reach out?
We get
Not
that
yet.
happen
I'm
easy,
trying
man.
to. People don't see me as someone as yet. That's. I feel like I have what they call that. Some. What imposter. I have imposter syndrome. So I don't feel like I'm hot or I'm lit on. I don't. I feel like I'm okay. I'm there. But people be coming up to me like, "Yo, Cash, your shit taking off." Like. I want to reach out to her, but I'm not ready yet. I feel like I need to reach at a certain pedestal. I'm like, "Yo, Miss Kitty,
No, man, if you want to meet Miss Kitty, let me know, man.
what?
If you want to meet Miss Kitty, let me
I
know.
want to meet Miss Kitty."
That's simple thing for him.
You said let you know, let it know.
Miss Kitty.
Yeah, I want to meet her.
That's
I would
simple.
cry.
Miss Kitty was the first person that legitimately like put Nobody Has to Know as the song of the week when she was working here in New York with Raga Shanti. So I always have a special respect for Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty is like, in a way, isn't me?
I love her.
She cool, man. She funny as fuck.
I love her.
That's dope though.
Thank
May I tell her?
Yes. All right, what are the two position? Backshot or missionary?
Which I'm like, you girl?
Yeah.
Missionary.
Why missionary? You are but
Me
you
like-
You is a
I
guy.
just like whining a pussy.
Okay. I gotta
I
fix
feel like
that.
I feel like when I fuck missionary, it's like
You're looking in the eyes and all of that.
yeah, me just missionary thing about it.
Not you reminiscing like.
Yeah, especially if the girl look good. You see me? I look like a big guy them. Yeah, missionary is
Is it?
yeah.
Okay. If a girl not freaky, would you date her still? If she not suck your nipple and she not give your head,
It's not gonna work.
it not gonna work.
Nipple part is very important.
Oh, so the nipple is more important than you getting head.
I like my nipple suck. It okay. If like when a girl suck my nipple, she have to just blow off my foot because I want that dust there to it firm. You know what I mean? Like it's
Yo,
just,
I
it's like a piece of
cannot.
pipe iron. You know what I mean? Like what the fuck can I say, man? I love nipple. What? It do something different. Like me, I tell them, man. Like if she do it right with little water.
You got ways on how to do it?
No, not seriously like read the water. I'm just saying, like if she do it right, where it's just like everything just my foot just plant, my toenail grow and just lock. You know what I mean? Like yeah.
I'm gonna get you. Have you ever been through a girl phone or a girl
Of
ever got
course.
through your phone? Don't you got your girl phone?
I don't go on woman phone for.
Just to go through it, but if someone really come up,
supervise it.
oh, you supervise
Yeah,
it.
I just go through and
My understand.
just for my safety. The only reason I'm going on your phone is for my safety because like me don't want to feel like he has set me up or something. So that's the only reason why. But me not going on your phone to search if she talks to the next man or things.
Okay.
It's just more like my safety, like to make sure that she not give up my location or she not try to set me up or you know.
That ever happened to you before? Like a female try to set you up?
I would just set me up, but me definitely lose a lot of joy before because of a girl.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I try to not put myself in a situation.
Yeah, me
like
get
that.
what you're saying.
Yeah, but woman go through my phone and
I'm not gonna show my phone ever again.
them
I have heart attack, diabetes, stroke, and everything in one.
really.
And when we got your phone, me not just go through and look through the group chat. Me put in the
You
words.
smart. You search bar.
What? Want to say sex, suck, fuck, anything,
Outside. Here.
whatever. Money, all one money I got. What?
Cash out. Zelle.
When I go through, you must see a man phone light up so, I turn it down so. I don't have time. Nah.
What do you think is better for no?
I don't want no. But
Why
feel
not?
like if you give me bun in peace. Don't call. No make a girl call my phone. No make a girl text me. Yeah, take a piece of bun. Take your bun and do it in peace.
I've never cheated before. That's the crazy thing.
Every man cheats.
I've never cheated before.
You never cheated?
Never
You just be straight and forward to the girl then.
Not necessarily. I just never yeah, I've never cheated before.
Wow. The first man in the world.
It's not the first. I'm telling you. I'm a special breed. I've never cheated before though. Like I feel like if you never get catch technically you never cheat. Yeah.
You have to ask him when it comes to the cheating.
I was getting there. Because he said if you never get catch yet, it's not cheating. You never get catch yet, so it's not cheating.
Yeah.
And as you said, what is considered cheating?
When you fuck on somebody.
So sex alone is cheating?
Yeah, because listen, when you're in a relationship with somebody,
Okay.
you have to give like we in New York City, right?
Okay.
How much people live in New York City?
A lot. So that mean?
That means we pass people on a daily basis.
Okay.
I feel that you go flirt. Flirting is not cheating.
Never
technically.
said flirting is cheating.
That's what I'm saying. But I do flirt.
Okay.
But I feel like fucking is the pinnacle of cheating.
Okay.
But texting and like, how you doing, good morning, or
No, number one, it lead up anything you wouldn't want your partner for do, you're not supposed to be doing. You want your girl to text man good
it's
morning.
not what you
babe?
do, it's how you do things. And it's not, the act on it is different from actually just, I don't think, listen
It
to me.
lead up to it though.
Cheating start for me when you fuck. When you fuck, you cheat.
So you can have a girl and she be entertaining a guy, but not fucking. She not cheating still.
She's not cheating until she fuck.
Oh, so once your pussy not give up, it's not cheating.
She's not cheating. Once you give her the pussy, then God go with you, because I can't go. Yeah. That's what I think, personally.
Nah.
Yeah.
Are you into threesomes?
I mean, I feel like we all should experience it at one point.
Oh yeah, small for.
No, I'm just saying, I think we all should experience it at one point. Threesome, there's nothing wrong with that. What's wrong with threesome? There's nothing wrong with threesome. I feel like everybody should do whatever that make them comfortable in a bedroom with whoever they're with. And if threesome is involved and both party agrees to it, I don't see nothing wrong with that.
Okay, copy.
Yeah.
How do you feel about toys in the bedroom?
Twice. Nothing wrong with that. Like, if she wants a vibrator.
Would you?
Yeah, girl use a vibrator, I mean, I fling fuck. That's fine. You know,
Okay.
I had some of my time, you know, she just did it, you just want a quick fuck and I said, babe, lend me a fuck, you know. Just someone's gonna borrow a fuck with her and she have her ties and she do the right thing, yeah. Nothing wrong with that. That's
Give me, cause you just said that too. So I'm gonna put this in. Give me one of the wild night that you had as an artist. We're not talking about like
I gave her something kneecap in Sweden. And
your
she-
kneecap.
I swear to God, I had on a shots. I was in Sweden, and this girl, would come off stage, and she's like, "Oh my God, you're fucking amazing!" And then she talked to me, and then me feel my foot underwater. I look down, so, and I get her something kneecap. But it feel good, you fuck.
Okay. I think something is wrong.
No,
with
me
you.
I
You're
tell
like,
you-
look, oh.
Listen, no, man, no, listen up, cause you know. She was doing it, and it's like, imagine you talk to somebody and just feel you.
Your kneecap was just like a sucker.
It was wet. I mean, I say, yeah, where the fuck is I'm look around, so I'm see her, and I say, but me never treat it rough. If it's tough, I will go on, but it have a little.
You have a look a thing to
But
it.
it have a buzz. Shout out the girl, I never see her again. But,
Of course, she's in Sweden. Why you gonna see her again
yeah,
for?
but she suck it up for.
Do you believe breaks in a relationship or space?
Break? No.
Yeah.
I think that's dumb.
I think so too.
Yeah, break is fucker. But you do need the time apart from people sometimes though, so it's weird. Because like I don't think no one should use the word yo, I need a break. I think it should be like you find time for yourself, like see what you're there without actually making it obvious. Like me, my type of break is like me telling you I'm busy, I'm not busy, just to avoid contact because I feel like there's too much tension here. You know what I
Okay.
mean? And sometimes there's so much tension that you need to separate yourself from people sometimes.
So you're the type of person in a relationship and you have an argument with your girl. You're the type of like, I want to talk about it later. I don't want to talk about this now.
Yeah.
Okay. Because most men are like that. Most men are like,
and it's just like you make, and yeah, I mean, like the bag of fucking nagging. And sometimes it's not only that. I feel like sometimes it's like we tend to like say dumb shit when you're upset, or like when you're mad. So before
Yeah.
you get me upset for me, go say things where me can't take,
take back. Yeah, might as
I
well
feel
just
like
love me alone.
I've learned that
instead.
lately though, since therapy. But yeah.
Okay. Have you ever called a man about his woman before?
Hell fucking no. Swear to God, I have too much pride for me as a layer. That will never happen. Never ever in my life. Call a man phone.
Yeah, about him woman. Said the girl pussy good and you know say she have a man. Yeah. I say, yo, my some man do that. So this-
Never. Man call my phone before, but me never call.
And how you react when a man call your phone about him girl?
But it's surprised the fuck. I swear to God for everything. And
How you do with that?
like I remember the phone call like you said, call me and say, yo, man, I'm not here to start a problem, bro. Like I've done everything for this girl and I think she's a fucked up person and I can't believe it and I just want confirmation because I just need to leave her alone and thing. I can't tell you say I'm
Give
really
her
hurt,
hurt.
but that have nothing to do with me.
So why tell the man?
That have nothing to do with me.
You said that
I
and hang
swear
up?
to God. No, me never hang up. I say, yo, but that have nothing to do with me, but like, me no, but if you talk to a woman, like, I think you have a, I think me say something like you. I think it's you misunderstand. I think it's a wrong number. So yo, me say everything. I'm going on her phone and message, you know. That was pretty much it, but it did feel fuck up though. It did feel fuck up.
Yeah,
I'm never
cause
caring this, but-
makes sense. All right, I want you to tell me which one is the best, right? Makeup sex, drunk sex, or we're not supposed to be having this sex.
We're not supposed to be having sex.
Why? You give it that adrenaline rush?
Yeah.
You're toxic. Oh my god.
Is that toxic? It's like the fuck? Like
Why are you not supposed to be having that sex and like why?
because we're not supposed to do this and it just feels so fucking good because we do it and we're not supposed to do it.
Why are you not supposed to be doing it?
Because I don't know, maybe she have a man, maybe with her. We fuck backstage before.
You fought backstage? Who, like a groupie?
No. A
Oh,
girl, no.
oh, okay. Cause I was about to ask you about that.
Yeah, but groupie.
How you deal with groupies?
I
That
don't
really,
think nobody's groupie. I don't
you don't
consider
call them groupie? Oh, okay.
No, I don't think it's groupie thing. I feel like some people just genuinely connect to you.
Them can't. I just met you and you're an artist.
But you listen to me. So you connect to me through my music.
Yeah, because you always speak about your cocky 9-inch, this and that.
Okay,
Of
so
course, I'm going to reminisce.
you never had a crush on an artist before?
No.
Yes, never? Damn. You never have a crush on somebody who like inspiring or something?
I had a crush when I was young on Drake. Then I see he start putting things on his finger. That shit, I'm going to say like sassy. Like certain things turn me on, but I have no feeling for no artist.
I had girl who tell me say they must want to fuck me because them.
Yeah, the song. You listen. You hear your songs? You talk about your how much time someone know, especially when I was coming to them, I was like looking topics and people was telling me to ask certain questions, and these are your fans. Just by listening to your song, you have a different type of voice and the way how you sing your song. So no one understand, but
Try me. Kranium, Kranium on Instagram.
try it.
No, me I say, yeah, me I tell the fans them. So.
Oh yeah, y'all gonna see his name right down here. What is a monthly allowance you would give a girl?
$45. I'm joking. Month allowance. I don't believe in them things, man. I believe in like.
This is a girl you're fucking. A girl you check
Tell
for.
me a plan. Tell me you want to open my store. Tell me say you want blood clot, buy a house, and you need a down payment. Tell me say you want to open my fucking coffee shop. Don't bumble clot come to money allowance. What the fuck I look like?
Oh, so you want to give? Do you prefer to give the lump sum than the little piece?
My rather me a girl left and she did a new man. And when she argue, me say, yo, and you know, say my ex-boyfriend, at least he would have given me this. You know, I rather that than you a bumbuckler asking. I don't believe in monthly allowance. I feel like it's more like, come with a plan, draft up a plan, come tell me what you want to do and get the fuck over. Because I don't want to be consistently doing it. More set up women have a bumbuckler ask. Don't ask me for nothing again. You know, like, build yourself and just do something. Rather than me.
Give me your money for ear and nails and that.
That shit is stupid and dumb as fuck to me. Like,
Yeah.
if you don't live nowhere, and you get an apartment, ask me for the first and last. You know, ask me if you say, yo, I want to furnish my house.
Yeah.
But you ask me for something like 500,000, 400,000, 600,000, 700,000.
You want to hear that? Him a lump sum, man. Ask him for what exactly you want.
It's dumb as fuck. And it's like, they don't get that. Women don't understand that.
And not every man like you, though, Kranium. No man.
Most men is like me. Just like when you don't ask, wrong.
I don't ask.
No woman don't want. That's the problem. Like,
And I'm scared. I'm scared to ask. Which, ladies don't follow me. Or don't follow me.
All right, I'm asking you a question right now. If you don't own your own house, and you have a good job, and you do 9 to 5 in America, and you have good credit, why the fuck wouldn't you find a place and ask me for the down payment for the place? And then charge somebody to live downstairs or live in that too.
No,
like,
which is true.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
But you
me,
think different. I have people that I know, like bros, men that I know, that don't even want to want for ask them for certain lump sum of money. They prefer to look at ear and nails money. You said, ask me for what you want. You want mortgage pay, you want this, you want your tuition pay, whatever. Some man,
yeah, don't ask me for no fucking pay my rent. Tell them.
come on, I like hear the word no. If me and you there and you said no to me, I'm upset because I don't ask for foolishness. Me I go nursing school, me want tuition pay, me ask and you can't help me. I'll cut you off.
But
Same as that being said.
Okay, I get you.
Yeah. I've asked you this question, right? What's a curfew? Do you have a curfew time for your girl?
9 o'clock, you can't call me. That's what I mean? Don't call me after 9 o'clock.
But if you want fuck, she can call you after 9.
Yeah, if I'm pussy good.
Unbelievable.
Can't call me anytime.
Unbelievable.
Women, curfew, women, sorry, because it's true, it's a curfew, let's jump the time. Curfew for what?
Like your girl outside, you want her to come in at
No,
certain
sir.
time.
You're mad curfew, you're bumbuckle. Them. No. Come in anytime you want to come in.
Just secure, I like that.
Anytime you want to come in. I do not put no distrust in a woman until she make me distrust her. You have to allow people to be themselves.
True. So, leading to that, trust or love?
Trust.
You prefer trust?
Trust is the highest level of love. Love is secondary.
Okay.
It's lust, like, love, and then trust. Me see and I like you. I mean, me see and lust after you. Then me get to like you. Then me fall in love with you. And then me trust you. Because it's like, I see people say, me see man I tell woman to them love them and I see them in a, bitch get the fuck out of my face, bitch, and I argue with them in front of people. That's not fucking love. You know what I mean? But when you reach upon a level of trust, and then, because trust and respect to me is one. You know what I mean? And if you want to separate it to be technical, legitimately, respect is the highest level of love. You get where I come from?
That's what I was to ask you, respect or loyalty.
Respect.
Respect.
Because respect, everything falls under respect. If we're gonna separate trust and like respect is the highest level of love. That's what I should say.
Yeah.
If you respect me, you're not gonna disrespect me in front of people, you're not gonna disrespect me no time, you're not gonna make me feel like me small, you're not gonna boil me up, you're not gonna style me. So respect is the highest level of love. And respect comes with trust. Because you have to really if you respect me, that means you trust me enough to respect me. And if me respect you, that means I trust you enough to respect you. So I feel like love is not the end. I feel like respect is the end.
Got you.
You know what I mean? Because
All
we can't
right.
love you, but we're not gonna disrespect you.
That's facts.
Yeah.
That's facts. All right. Before we end off the spicy questions, do you have anything you want to ask me personally?
You're single?
Yes, I'm singlish.
Why are you singlish? Oh, so you have more than one person?
I have people talking to me, but I'm not. You know? Yeah, like what you said earlier
No,
today.
you're not.
I have people like trying to talk to me, but I don't see nobody really feel my interest. Cause if you're not do for me, I have so much shit going on. I don't want a man come looking at my face and tell me I'm pretty. You know I'm pretty. Come with something on the table. Take some off of my table.
So you want a man with food?
Yeah, cause me have my food, but I need help. It's not as I'm out there and say I need help. Like I'm going to school, I have a restaurant, I'm doing this, and I'm doing everything by myself. So if you see a girl like me, you see me, I do things by myself. I know you come and say, yo, Cash, I'm cute, I want to look a fuck. What you doing for me?
So,
And it sounds sad, but what are you doing for me?
so the question is for me now, for ask you now.
Facts.
You get to the food before you get to the crease, or you go to the crease before you get to the food?
Get to the food before I get the crease.
Yeah.
What you ask me exactly? Come on, mix up.
Okay.
The man have to give me the money before I give him the pussy.
Like you have to start spending before we the fuck.
All my life, me I fuck for free, you know. Me in a love all the time. Man never give me money. Me I fuck for free. In a relationship, never I get nothing. Me was a provider in a relationship. Yes, crosses. I was a provider. I was the money man. I'm always masculine. I feel like guys keep saying a female needs to be soft and enough. Why? Oh, I'm gonna be soft if I'm always doing for myself. And you as a man with me, I'm just a do. So with that being said, all my life me I fuck for free. So if a man come right now and say, yo, you take care of Kall Kash, I'm like you and you pay for this, me I spread out.
She said me I spread out.
Yeah, me I bust him for a piece. Cause my life, man never give me no me that bust them for a piece. So what's the sense now? You get what me I try to say? You understand me I try?
Not really, but I understand.
You're not really?
I feel-
Explain. Go on, talk.
No, but I just feel like say if this is where it boils down to for me, like who how do you know to give a man some pussy
That's
as
the
a
thing
woman
too.
before? Like I don't understand. Like, how do you decide?
Or you decide to get who you gonna get dick to cause you love fuck, right?
Not necessarily. I'm not fuck anybody. Like I'm very specific.
Selective.
I'm very like I'm not a drunker, you know.
But no.
Like I'm not a drunker. I promise I'm not a drunker. People might think say me is this whole like me weird as fuck. I'm weird as fuck when it come on to like just a fuck, but that's good for you though.
No,
Look
you
over there.
really say something which is true, or you know, because females will, a man will be doing for you, and you're not fuck him, and you'll get a man will not do for you. So it's kind of tricky. But knowing the age I'm at now, I'm not gonna just go out there and talk to him and just fuck. Hello, Kall Kash.
Hey, what's going on, Cash?
Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna give the phone to Kranium today. He's gonna be the one to give you advice, okay?
Oh, okay, bet.
All right, what's going on?
All right, so with me and my shorty dealing with each other for some time, right? Towards the beginning of everything, like, me did I give our butt, but like we worked through all of that. Everything kind of got better for us, and then like recently, I caught her like texting somebody else. You know what I mean? Like, kind of like flirting and stuff. So now I feel like we at a point in our situation where we shouldn't be doing that. So I'm kind of like stuck trying to figure out like what to do with that.
What should he do?
What him fi do? Then what do you think him fi do?
Remember we just have this conversation? Remember, say he give her a bun. The bun as in you cheated or you had sex with a girl?
Yeah.
And you only see text message of she flirting, right?
Yeah.
All right, so it's supposed to be quince out.
But I leave her.
Leave her. Why? She was just texting. She wasn't having sex.
It no matter. She opened the door already.
She opened the door. That's what I'm saying. Like, I love her, but like Like once you give somebody the green light, like
Yeah, that's different. That's
But
yeah.
you gave another shorty green light. You was in another girl hole.
but the all right, so look, and I don't wanna make it sound bad, but like I never cared about them girls, like but like when a woman lets somebody else through the door, give somebody else the green light, they be feelings behind that.
Yeah, it's
So
emotion. We just fuck because
it's
we want
emotion.
bust or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to understand this too. She probably was hurt, still healing and hurting. And so she decided to text somebody.
God church. Go talk to God.
You know what? Did you get your advice, sir?
No, for real, though,
Yeah.
go to church, man. And go make she honestly, bro. If she did really care, she'd have gone to church and go talk to God, and she would have called her sisters and her cousins and talk. She wouldn't go talk to the next man. And if I were you, brother, to tell you the truth, mother cut.
Yeah. That
Yeah,
that's it.
yeah, I'm cut, man. Cause she got she have a cut.
Ah, whatever. Hey, thank you for calling Kall Kash.
Like,
What you cut?
Are you serious yourself?
I'm dead fucking serious.
You just what said cheating is when sex is the top.
Yeah, but that's different.
Oh, is it that different? She
Because
didn't have sex.
But it must say she again next man the green light. That means that she ready for like
But him never catch her a fuck. Or no, him she never have sex. Him could have get her next chance.
no.
No?
I don't. Woman different. Woman cheat with emotions. It's
So
different.
that's why he would have cut. Because
Yeah.
it's already planned up in her head.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah. She give you the pussy.
Next caller. Alright, so I have a little goodies to give you today. I got some scents from Allure Scents. These are oils, okay? It's designer oils that you can spray on your body. You know, the girl them are gonna run you down beard
She's
things.
right.
And I have this nice hat from DHNY
I appreciate it. Big up the HNY.
and Allure Scents.
A little sense.
Yeah. So
Allure,
yeah, Allure. Them really smell good. I'm not gonna tell a lie. You put a little oil, rub on your neck and thing, fire. And you got hit me up back. 'Cause you say yo cash more and more.
I got you.
Alright, yeah.
Respect. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
That's what happens when he's a good guy.
Yes. Kall Kash, hi.
Hi. So my name's Tanya. I'm having a little bit of an issue, and I'm just hoping you guys could give me some advice with my relationship.
I got you. Just know that I won't be giving you advice today. It will be Kranium. Is that okay?
Okay, no problem.
Alright, go ahead.
Um, so I have this guy that I've been seeing for a couple of years now, kind of off and on. I guess you would say like, you know, my little like a little side piece or whatever. Like he do him, I do me, and we come back to each other. But we have like a little bit of a history, you know, he got locked up, I helped him with bail. I might give up a little re-up money sometimes, like we got history, you know, it's all I love yous and, you know, whatever. So the other night, you know, I go out with my girls or whatever, he calls me, he's like, you know, you're gonna come over after? I'm like, yeah. So I get there around 12, he lets me up, and, you know, we do our thing or whatever, and then the next morning, we wake up regular, we lay in the bed, we on our phones or whatever, and he's like, oh yeah, by the way, I'm having a baby. And I'm just laying in the bed like, what? I hopped up. He's like, yeah, but, you know, I'm not with her. I don't want to be with her, but she's keeping the baby. You know, like, I don't have any control over that. I don't want to be with her. And he's basically telling me to, like, still deal with him, like, on, I don't know. I don't know. Like, how do you, I don't know. I fucked up.
Waiting for though.
Me? Also, though?
I fucked up. Can you guys to make it more spicy? I don't know. I tried to think of the spiciest shit I could think of.
What I think about it? Or what do you think about it?
Give her advice. She said she there with a man, she hold him down in jail, them sleep, have sex, and him tell her say, him have a picnic on the way, him don't want to deal with a woman, but him have a baby on the way.
Should I stay with him? Should I support him? Or
I feel like,
should I leave?
in all honesty, like, you have to forgive him.
What?
You have to forgive him.
Forgive him for what?
People make mistakes. Maybe it's just a mistake he make.
So I should trust him even though this whole time he's been sleeping with somebody without a condom and he didn't notify me of that?
Things happen.
I should still trust him?
I feel like things happen in life. Maybe it was a drunk night. Maybe you have to have a conversation and ask about like what lead to that. Maybe it's, things just go wrong. You make a mistake. him the drunk. There's so much possibilities of things that could actually happen.
So you think a mistake is your penis going into another girl's vagina and getting her pregnant?
I mean, to be fair, him just come out of jail, you know, probably have a weak moment, you know, you go. It can be a situation there.
Baby girl, it's up to you. Like, he just gave you advice. What you feel about that?
I don't know. I feel like forgiving somebody is kind of like I'd have to heal from the hurt, you know, like, and I don't know. I'm really hurt. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I love him, you know, but
You see, that's all you need is love.
I don't even know who this person is. I've never seen her. You know, I've never had any problems. No females hitting me up.
Exactly.
Like,
Maybe that's why it's even better too, but at the same time too, I feel like you could just heal, leave him alone. That's what I feel, leave him alone. Cause that lady gonna be in his life forever if she gonna have his kid.
Not necessarily, but you have to just think about it, but think about the positive side. Like, think about it, like, what would Jesus do, you know?
What would Jesus do?
Yeah.
Girl, thank you for calling Kall Kash. Thank you.
No, but for real though. I don't think you have to leave somebody for that though.
What? I have a kid on you? That's the reason why I should leave somebody. You went or never used protection. You could have wrapped your dick up. Listen, no girl now call me.
Yeah.
No girl now message
But she
me.
said he might do him thing and she had the right thing. Says not like them in a committed relationship.
But I feel like you should give her more respect because she was holding him down while he's in prison.
Yeah, but the main, remember, you know, me's a man of like listening. You know, she said that
Earlier, yeah.
they was doing their thing, he was doing their thing, and it happened. So you can't vex because she was, to me, she did all right with the man I do him I do. So why would you feel something? I mean, I'm not gonna say why would you feel that way. I feel like you're supposed to feel something about it, but I don't think if me and you have a understanding on a certain thing and thing go left, you have to just make it right. You know what I mean?
No. If you got left, we should all go left.
No, man.
Period. Hello, Kall Kash. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Today, Kranium will be giving you advice. You ready?
Yes.
All right, go ahead, my dear.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. I need your advice. I found out earlier in our relationship, my wife cheated on me.
Your wife?
Yes.
Damn.
How long you and your wife was together?
You mean all in together or around the time?
Around the time.
Been together for like 3 years.
Okay, but not bad. 3 years. Not bad.
How did you find out? Like, give me some background.
Okay, well, she started acting differently. And when I noticed she started acting differently, it made me like, you know, go through the phone and see what happened. And then, you know, I started reading text messages, the deleted text messages. He sent them little nasty, you know, provocative text pictures and stuff like that. And that's how I found out. So I'm trying to say, how should I go about this?
Wait, she don't know say you find out?
And she know.
Okay, take over.
You see, if it was your girlfriend, would I say?
No, it was my wife. We started off in a relationship, we got married, and that's when he did it.
That's
how claim it was, you know, lack of, you know, communication, and she didn't feel attractive, and so, you know.
She not have a best friend.
She stepped up. Huh?
She don't have a friend that like you.
Say that again?
She doesn't have any friend that likes you?
No, I don't really, you know, associate with her friends. Them bitches is fat and ugly.
You still fuck one of them, man. Me I tell you, man, fuck one of them, man. Trust me. You see, because
so, eye for an eye.
Eye for an eye, brother. Like, you have to, yeah, that's fucked up. Because if it was a girlfriend, would I understand. But a wife, damn, son. But wait, she have money?
She makes a decent amount of money.
So go for something. Go for some of the money. Something. Remember, you know, in America, you know, remember, in America there's a law. If you're married and whoever cheats is in the wrong, so you definitely have the upper hand. She have a house, go feed the house. Go for something. You know, you're supposed to be at Dubai right now, I sip a pina colada and you're paying, you know what I mean? Don't make you just walk like that, you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
I fuck on
It
our friend them.
sounds-
Fuck on our friend them, you see me?
Yeah, I should. I mean, you know how you get that vibe from one of them, but you don't push because. But I definitely know you motherfucker can get a drink in one of them. Them drawers will drop.
Yes, man. Just fuck it, man. Just tell her it's she beautiful, she look good, like the sexiest thing you ever seen since sliced bread. And just, yeah, bro, just, you have to use your penis for our friend, bro. And the only way I feel like, say, you gotta feel good in yourself, you know what I mean? That's what I would do.
Yeah, take her ass to the bank, do my thing, and then if it all blows the same, like fuck it, it is what it is, an eye for an eye, like you said.
Yeah. And then tell her say go take her back and take her back and make she feel like you're in love, and then when she go work and come home you just move out, you see me?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do the right thing, man. I feel like that's the best way. The best approach is to act like everything good, like if you give her, and then just fuck on her friend, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, man. That's what you should do. And trust me. Yeah, no free low. Like fuck on her friend them. Ask God to forgive you. Friend her up. Act like you care. And then one day just move out. Like just move out completely. And then move on with your life.
Gotcha.
All right. Thank you for
All
calling,
right.
Kall Kash.
Okay. Good.
So are you serious?
That's not good advice.
That's the best advice.
So what if it was the table's turn?
With
You say that.
same thing.
So your wife should just go fuck your friend.
Do what she have to do to make sure so she
Oh,
feel
do
good.
what she have to do.
Yeah. Because everybody deal with pain on a
And
different
then
level.
take your house and your car.
Everything.
Done everything.
They couldn't think about counseling, none of that.
That's just toxic.
Counseling is for punks. I'm joking. But no. Yo, me personally, like, me hate you, your dog, the area you come from, the country you come from, your mother, your father. You know, like, if me have a stepson, me hate him now. You know, like, me take it different, on a different level. You see me I say? My mother don't like you, don't ask me to tell my mother happy birthday, she don't like you no more. Like, me different. Like, once you fuck up with me, it's like,
It clip, it done for
everything. Everywhere you come from, Spanish town you come from, fuck, all I know about this. Yeah, that's something deal with.
If you're Pisces, fuck the Pisces.
Everything done. They said that. But I feel like if you do it, though, I do that. You think me fuck up for that?
Yes.
She was a fuck up for fuck on him?
She was. Get a divorce. Leave her.
It no work, so pain no go away like that.
But so your pain not gonna go when him push him dick in a different
As
pussy?
long, me tell you, you're gonna be unhappy until me happy. When me happy again, you get happy. But until me find my happiness, you have to fucking sad. All of us gonna sad together.
You're toxic.
It's not toxic, that's just, if me sad, why the fuck you feel happy and me sad? We're gonna be sad together.
Okay.
You see me? You're gonna lose a friend. You're gonna be unhappy, me gonna be unhappy. You're gonna lose your house, and you're gonna lose something.
On the area?
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for tuning into Kall Kash with Kranium. You think them subscribe and like it?
Yeah, 100%.
Alright then. Bye.
Big up on yourself. Me have breath, what me feel worry about. Many things me can do without. Yeah, me say if you don't say a Kranium, I say make sure you send a call into Kall Kash. Any advice you need, make sure you say this is the only place to call. Can I get the realest? Straight, blunt. Nothing is gonna be where you don't expect it to be. It's gonna be exactly where it's supposed to be. That's the truth. So make sure you call into Kall Kash. Kranium say that. Boom.